finally that one went off. Good job. Still for my county. There's what it looks like. Big squall line just came through.
Central Putnam County in Middle Tennessee. Eastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
Third one.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Carthage
Yeah, they're pretty strong
ones. Moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard,
for my county still.
per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Finally, that one went off. Finally. I'm glad it went off. I was worried sick when I didn't go off.
Murfreesboro, Smithville, Woodbury, Carthage, Watertown,
The official cloud has not passed yet. It's still
Hickman, South
in
Carthage,
progress of
Alexandria,
passing.
Gallotown, Liberty, Auburntown, Edgar Evans State Park, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Tucker's Crossroads, Center Hill Lake, Gradyville, and Wilton. These storms have a history of producing wind damage in the Nashville metro area. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
They said